What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Summer has officially kicked off, and what better way to kick off summer than to come to SeaWorld to their summer spectacular event.
Today we're here for their summer foodie fest. We're gonna check out some food, maybe some shows.
Hopefully all the booths are open this time.
Yes, hopefully all the booths are open this time. Let's get to the first booth.
Yeah, so 12 tastings, here we go.
All right, so these are the 3 summer spectacular food and beverage sampler cards. This first one is for 5 tastings and it goes for 40 bucks. The other 2, however, are for 10 and 12 tastings. So the difference is they're both $65, but this one for 10 tastings is a non-pass member exclusive, while the one for 12 tastings is the pass member exclusive. If you got that annual pass, you know, you got 2 extra tastings there. So from the Taqueria, we got 2 of the tastings. These are the first 2 foods we're gonna try here. We started off with the jackfruit tacos. These jackfruit tacos go for $11.99. Definitely a good vegan option. Let's get a little lime on there.
That's a good lime.
That was a juicy lime.
Eat
all right.
Jackfruit is always good to me. Like,
that was a big piece of jackfruit.
Nice.
Okay. So honestly, the consistency of the jackfruit wasn't too much like protein this time. I know like at Kalaka Mama's, they had the jackfruit taco down, but on this one, the jackfruit still kind of felt like jackfruit.
Oh, really?
Actually didn't really taste like anything. If anything, I tasted that lime way more than anything else.
Oh, bummer.
And then also the pickled onion. Felt like something substantial, but it didn't really taste like anything.
No.
Sorry, yeah, here, you check it out.
All right, well, they got good limes in here.
They got good limes,
So,
yeah.
They also have that creamy guacamole on top. That's like, I sometimes really like that style of guacamole. I see what he's saying, and I agree. I don't think that they let the jackfruit marinate in any of the spices. Probably wouldn't get this one again. It would be like a pass.
Next up is the esquites. It's a cup of corn kernels. This one also looks like spicy Cheetos. Cotija, Parmesan cheese, I'm not sure. What is that?
Yeah, I think it's cotija.
Okay, cotija cheese.
Yeah.
A lime. There's supposed to be some mayonnaise in here, but
I don't.
Oh, there
I mean, there
see
it is. It's
yeah.
like right here.
It's in the middle.
It's gonna be a little hard to mix this one, but I mean, can't go wrong with a good esquite, and like it's hard to like kind of ruin it.
Yeah.
So let's just see.
However, presentation-wise,
Yeah, they did a good job.
This one's nice.
Yeah, the mayonnaise is kind of minimal. Usually you get like a ton of mayo.
Yeah.
But this was like a spicy chipotle mayo, was it not?
Oh,
Yeah, this was, I believe.
Check the phone. Judges say
Yeah.
chipotle mayo.
Yeah, so I'm gonna try and see if I can get like all the flavors in one scoop here.
One bite.
Just gonna have to dig way deep down here.
Challenge accepted.
All mayo.
Ooh.
Oh man.
You're getting actually a really good bite.
Yeah, this is the bite
It's
of
all the
everything.
fixins.
So let me give this a try.
Yeah? Okay.
Oh man, I think something was created here at SeaWorld. I've never thought of using a spicy mayo in a esquite, but that just elevated it to a whole new like level. It's really good.
Let's try this out. There you go. Ooh.
It's so good.
That's fixin' heavy.
Yeah.
There we go.
I really like that. There's something in this cup right here. If you're gonna come to SeaWorld, it's gonna be for this right here.
Take all 12 of those little punch hole things and buy 12 of these. She thinks I'm giving this back.
I know.
I'm gonna go buy my own.
Yeah. Do we have an I did it? I want to say this is an I did it. I did it. So I love me a good lounge fly bag, right? But I didn't know that SeaWorld was like part of like the backpack series. I mean, who wouldn't love this freaking backpack? I didn't know SeaWorld did Loungefly. I'm so surprised by that. Part of me is like, wants to buy this. This is a dope backpack. Typical Loungefly prices, though, even at SeaWorld. It's gonna cost you about 90 bucks. Also, it's protect our seas. Honestly, this is like a really cool backpack.
So by this new Wild Arctic ride, there's a booth here. I think they're calling it Tastes of Germany, but they have a Euro slider.
Yeah.
Which I could have sworn was from Greece. Well, not a slider, but anyway. They have a Euro slider. It has some Euro meat in there, which is lamb, and then also some tzatziki sauce on the bottom, cucumber, and arugula. There's actually a fair amount of, that's pretty big meatball.
It's pretty chunky piece of meat. Yeah. You wanna go?
You wanna go for it?
You wanna go?
All right, I'll go for it.
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Is it Euro-y?
Yep, tastes like a lamb. I wish they would have put more tzatziki sauce in here, but this is pretty good. Yeah, I actually like this. The meatball.
Big bite.
Yeah, it's a big bite. I barely got the top of the bun.
Yeah.
So it's a pretty tall sandwich, and actually, The meatball didn't look appetizing. The top of the bun actually fell off, and the meatball looked a little gray, and I was a little worried.
It's like a school meatball.
It is a school meatball.
Yeah, it's like a school meatball.
However, it's really flavorful, like really tastes like a gyro. This is actually, I like this. This is really good.
Can you taste like the cucumber too, like in the mix? Like
you can taste like every part of it. So actually, I barely got any of the arugula. They're pretty stingy on the arugula.
It's on the plate too.
There's barely any arugula in there, but you can taste each of the ingredients in here. And then the bun, surprisingly, is like nice and soft. It's like, it's not even stale. I'm surprised by this one. You want a bite?
Sorry, I want to try this. Yeah. Oh yeah. That sauce is really, really good. Oh my gosh. With the cucumber and stuff, it really is a big bite. It's all in the sauce, man. That sauce was actually really, really good, especially with the cucumber bite that you take in with it.
I think it's actually like a great summer sandwich because the tzatziki sauce and the cucumber is really cooling.
Summer sandwich, for sure.
Yeah.
You gotta do the hamburger lean on this one too, though. It's a little sandwich with a big bite.
SeaWorld, they did a good job on this one.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Also from the same booth, next to the Wild Arctic ride, is the roasted garlic mac and cheese.
Let's give it a shot. I love me some mac and cheese. Do we have another I did it?
Ooh.
Should we mac cheer?
Mac cheer.
Mac cheer.
They have a pretty good bechamel going here, so it's super creamy. They didn't skimp out on the cheese, but
really
it's like
creamy
mac and cheese. Everything good about mac and cheese they did. And then the garlic really comes out. They also did not skimp on the garlic. The pasta, I mean, like as good as you can get for you know, booth pasta. I think this is also another winner.
It's actually pretty good.
That's delicious.
Yeah, it's like pretty good.
So also by Arctic Rescue is the third booth we went to. These two booths are next to each other. They actually don't have names yet.
So you're not gonna find them. You're just gonna have to like kind of just look for them.
They're next to the Arctic Rescue and Penguin exhibit. So at this booth, they didn't have everything available. So unfortunately, we couldn't get the pork gyoza or the hush puppies with the boom boom sauce. The nice thing though is that the cast member did give us a side of boom boom sauce just to try, because everybody's tried a hush puppy, I think, right?
But a boom boom sauce, like try that.
Who's tried boom boom sauce? So we're gonna try this boom boom sauce. It looks like sriracha mayo. Yeah. Let's get a little. Yeah, I think that's actually what it is.
Oh, it's a little spicy too.
Kind of spicy kick, but super creamy.
It's actually a really good flavor.
With the hush puppy, I think it would be perfect.
I know, it would have been so good.
Yeah. So the two items we were able to get though are the shrimp kimono with sweet chili sauce. If any of you out there, any Filipinos, if you guys eat lumpia, that little sweet chili sauce that they serve on the side, that's the sauce.
Let me grab it.
So this is the shrimp kimono. This goes for $11.99. It's shrimp with, looks like a wonton wrapper wrapped around it, and then deep fried, and then has sweet chili sauce on it.
Sweet chili sauce that we all love.
Oh, that's
yeah, I gave him the more juicy one.
Yeah, that's good.
I'll take his for it, because it's so good. Oh my gosh.
You get a bunch of these and a bunch of the corn.
I know, seriously. That lumpia wrapper on it, it's so good.
I think mine's been sitting in the sauce just for an extra minute or two, so not exactly super crunchy, crispy like lumpia.
Mine, however, was crunchy.
Yeah, that's good.
Killed it.
Tail drop. All right, next up from the same booth is the roast beef poutine. This poutine goes for $8.99. Now, we've had this before here, so we actually wanted to see if they made any improvements. Right off the bat, when we picked it up, there was a bunch more meat.
You can already see it. Those big chunky pieces of meat.
Maybe they watched our vlog.
Maybe, hopefully.
Hi SeaWorld.
Hey guys, hey friends.
So it looks like it's the same thing, same dark gravy, same cheese curds, same fries. Let's go for it. Oh,
Went straight for the curd. I'm gonna go for this piece of meat that's right here in my face.
That had Lily's name all over it.
Yep.
All right.
With the curd.
Oh. No, I'm not gonna cheers anymore.
No.
All right, here we go. Much better this time.
I feel like last time we had it, the gravy was a little bit burned. This time, all smooth.
Still salty. And now that you're actually eating meat,
like actual piece of meat, not just the gravy.
Fantastic. So this is great poutine. Get this.
So when we got these fruit bars, well, we You have to work kind of quick here because they're melting.
This is the spicy strawberry fruit bar. This goes for $6.99. There's mango, chamoy, and tahini on top of a strawberry paleta, which is a strawberry popsicle.
And it's already melting.
It's melting, like,
yeah,
we gotta get it. Plus, we're adults, you know, so we can eat dessert first.
Oh, this is good. It's just a regular fruit bar paleta, but once you add that chamoy, tahini, and the mango on top, ooh, it's always a step up. It's good. You know it's melting.
So the other paleta was this strawberry fruit bar with condensed milk and fresh strawberries on it.
Which is also now melted. Learning lesson is that you have to eat these quickly as soon as you get them. And I'm gonna eat the other one still because it's so good.
Basically, fresas con crema. That's really good.
Yeah, it smells really good.
Even though Liz is with us, she's not getting any of this. All right, this is the Mexican shrimp cocktail. Looks exactly like shrimp cocktail that you get in a Mexican restaurant.
Yeah.
Really plump shrimp. She was not shy about stuffing as much shrimp as she could into that cup.
Yeah, I actually heard the girl say that it was too much in here, but I was like, no, let her. Let her overstuff this.
Keep going, girl.
Yeah, don't be shy. Don't be scared.
And she put chamoy all up on the rim of the cup.
Yes.
And then there's a bunch of celery, looks like red onions, cilantro, and then also there's clamato in here.
Clamato.
All right, here we go. Shrimp cocktail. You
I'm
want
gonna
one?
dip a chip. A part of me wants to like sip this juice right now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna sip the juice while he eats the shrimp.
That was really good, really flavorful. Tastes exactly like shrimp cocktail. The shrimp is a little overdone. I'd rather it be overdone than underdone. Nice and salty. They did that one right. Also from the same booth. Next up is the Spam fried rice. Got Spam, eggs, carrots, peas. See what this
All
tastes
the good
like.
stuff.
I'm also seeing probably chicken in there. So, a little extra.
Little surprise everywhere.
This Spam fried rice goes for $9.99.
Yum. It actually smells really good.
Super good. You can also taste like all the garlic in there.
Ooh.
However, the weird thing is, I'm not seeing any Spam.
Oddly, because it's called Spam fried rice. Maybe the chicken is the Spam? It doesn't look like. Here, let me try and find some Spam in here. That might be it. These little cube, these little tiny ones.
It doesn't
It
taste
looks like
or
ham,
look
though.
like Spam.
That's not Spam.
Yeah, I don't know what that is. I think this might be a chicken fried rice, but on the menu it says
It's
Spam fried rice.
Huh.
Mystery meat sundaes.
Yeah, but it oddly tastes like the meat from the gyro.
No, it does not taste like lamb. It tastes really garlicky, but I think it's been sitting there a little while, so everything's a little mushy. I would say this one's a skip.
Yeah.
I wouldn't do this one. There's definitely better fried rices that you can get. I know.
Yeah, I know.
Especially for $9.99.
Yeah.
Or if you really feel like you want it, just get it if you have that sampler card.
And but like for $10, it's not a big
It's not that
portion
much
either. So.
But I wonder.
Yeah.
This is the sample size portion, I think.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. Well, yeah. Regular portion. I don't know if it's bigger, but yeah, for sample size, yes, that's a good size.
I think this one's a little bit of a skip, though.
Yeah.
Okay.
I really wanted to try this during the Seven Seas Food Festival, but they always ran out, or the booth wasn't open at the time either. So this is the Hawaiian mac salad that goes for $9.99. Please don't let me down.
Please, oh, please, oh, please, oh, please, oh, please, oh, please, oh, please. Oh.
No.
I think it's in this.
No. It's not mac salad at all.
So there is barely any carrot in here. There's no celery. There's no
flavor.
It's just macaroni.
It's just macaroni
and mayo or
without
something.
salt too, because it's not even salty. Yeah, no.
That's not great.
That's sad.
Skip out on this one too.
What's going on?
Last but not least,
I've been waiting for this one too.
the Pepperoni Lumpia, and this has Parmesan ranch.
I've been a little excited for this one too.
I've also been excited about this because the last time I went to Disney World, they have something like this. They call it the pepperoni pizza egg roll.
Okay.
And I couldn't get it. Like the booth closed before I could get to it. So I've been wanting to try this too.
And I love lumpia.
So the Parmesan that's on here is just Parmesan that they shook on here. It's not like Parmesan that they mixed in with the ranch.
Yes. So,
Cheers.
all right, cheers. Please be good.
Yep. That's delicious. I mean, you can't go wrong. It's lumpia.
Yeah.
And it's pepperoni pizza.
Exactly. I don't know if you guys can see the inside.
It's also ranch and Parmesan cheese.
Exactly.
These are all ingredients I like.
favorite.
You did it, little guy.
I did it. That's so good.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
So lastly, we got two drinks. They're from a booth that's right next to the booth that had the Hawaiian food, the Hawaiian / Mexican / Filipino, Italian,
Italian twist fusion.
Yeah. So
one of those.
Right next to it was a drink
Yeah.
booth. This first one we're gonna try is the Chamangarita. It goes for $13.99. It's tequila with mango and chamoy.
Yum.
This one looks good.
I know. Okay, my first swig was all just like mango juice, so I think the tequila is in here somewhere.
Yes.
I just can't. I just can't taste it. Maybe it's at the top. Let's try. Not at the top either. It's hidden in here, guys, somewhere.
Yeah, I think that tequila's kind of floated on top. I think I got a little pocket of it. I think they're a little light on the tequila, but this also could be one of those kind of creeper drinks that...
It's true, it's true. It could be a lethal one because it's really well hidden.
It is delicious. So this is a good one. This one's a go.
I would get that one again.
Yeah, definitely. All right, this next drink also comes from the same vendor as the one that you can get the Chamangarita from. This is the Bay Magic. It's really pretty. They actually had this drink during the Seven Seas Food Festival.
Yes.
And unfortunately, they didn't offer it while we were here. So I'm happy that we're getting to try this drink. This drink has gin, lemon, simple syrup, and a butterfly pea tea.
What?
So I think that's what the purple part is. I wonder how many butterflies gave up their lives
to make this. So I'm gonna give it a stir. I know I'm gonna ruin the look of it, but I feel like I have to stir it to get like the full effect here. Ooh. All right, so let's give it a try. Oh, this, And that, what is that, gin?
It's just gin.
Yeah, you can taste the gin. You taste the gin right here.
Okay, here we go. Let's get some of this. Oh.
It tastes amazing. I know we're reacting kind of like,
I think you definitely get $13.99 of gin.
It's like the lemonade gin mix. See, I'm already drunk.
Yeah, the lemon really kind of makes you pucker, and then it's like that gin. If
you're gonna buy a drink and you want it to taste like liquor, it's probably gonna be this one.
Yep. It's the kind of like sneaky way of asking for a full glass of gin. Get that.
Because no one's gonna ask what's in that drink when it looks pretty. So that's it for us here at SeaWorld at the Summer Spectacular.
So at least today we got to try more foods than we did during the Seven Seas Food Festival.
Yes.
I'm glad a lot more of the vendors were open. Yes. Unfortunately, we didn't get all the foods that they had to offer. Either the food runs out or some of the equipment wasn't working.
Yes.
So like the mango mochi,
once again,
she's never gonna get that.
I'm never gonna get it.
But what we did get to eat for the most part was pretty good. SeaWorld, you're doing pretty good. You haven't let us down food-wise. So we hope to come back and try some of the things that we missed. And that'll be in a later video, hopefully.
We did go through all of these though. No punch went to waste this time.
No punch went to waste,
no.
But you might not have seen all the foods we tried for all those punches.
No, but it does include drinks, remember that.
It includes drinks. We may have forgotten to hit the record button.
Maybe once or twice, give or take on how much gin we had.
So that concludes the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And definitely hit that notification bell. Oh, and did I say subscribe?
Yes.
Please subscribe.
Watch us. Come and hang out with us. Come hang out with us at the parks and watch us have some fun and eat some good food.
Actually, why don't you just come along and park it with us?
So we'll see you next time.